When the Jehosa way out there, the JB enthusiasm be the home farmer be the shame.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Friscaline and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti. This is your girl Friscaline and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti. Hello Ghana, this is your girl Friscaline and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti. Hello Ghana, this is your girl Friscaline and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti.
Alright, so 33 minutes into the hour there.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Friscaline and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti.
And I'm going to say, alright. Okay, my cuckoo, baby, young kind of. Yeah, my anchor Gina. That was your first motivational message, my Michelle Crown Pay. And now for you to watch video this for 93.3 of mid morning. Jumana was so good. I'm my motivational message and I pay. My Michelle crying and none pay now for Bishop go to Jumana, February brand. Megidi so bia ho ya no pay. Megidi ye pon se Nyankopon hwe obi aso. Na anope mi kran sha se be pa cho tie de ye pa. Ra we dem say one call for bi ho no, they find it very difficult to forget the past. Very difficult to forget about the past. The see in Rano still now the best the money and the idea. Me pa cho anope me catch you say. Each morning we are born again. What we do today is what matters the most. Anopebia, Father say I will for. Anopebia, Father say. And they are now Basa season. And they are now winning, and they are now winning it. And Chinia Obayan and Neno, and on the here pan. And Chidiawian and Rano, Bepacho Fatuachi. say koye san koye. Pepa chofa tuachi. Na huni say anopa so. That for each morning we are born again, and what we do today is what matters the most. And on who here? Uncle Father can't say, the more did the Yanjan and Co. Now the Akano Yambo by. It's end radiano, regardless a koye and koye and pachopa. Jagu baby, to wajin, Shiagu baby, now fay and net diano. Mawanin coho, and net diano, Bohoma Yopa, and net diano, Somu. Now for Kuko ni Manasa. A man radian tatao, a man and yaw that drink, a man in Seto. A be a coye as well, Pepacho and Ayandra. Janens now. Nama and focus on today. Focus on what you do today. Nigerian radio the free dream. And I promise you, you'll be okay. It's just fine. Right, so this morning, what I'm telling you is just simple and short. Each morning we are born again. What we do today is what matters the most. So stay focused on your plans today. Be ambitious. And make sure you do away what happened yesterday. Yeah. And daily dose of motivation. And I'll pay me branch as 7 days. Right, so 93.3 FM. And on to our question of the day. Right, so send in your answers via 0594841044. That is the WhatsApp number and also the SMS number. Let's get interactive. And I'll be more than glad to read them for you. 0594841044. What is that one thing you love to do every day? Every day. They be like every day. They be dear Bena. When the Jim Pass, they be away. And I'll pay you anymore. Oyans went from. So, yeah, so, yeah. Until when it's also that. Why, yes, At the send bra 0594841044. WhatsApp and also SMS. Alright, so let's do this one again. 38 minutes into the hour 10. Let's go. Umaye.
Doji fola, doji fola, oseto boka, tawana bobe. Mapojito, achoseye, mapojito, achoseye, mapabumbo, mapojito, eye machoseye.
Maya.
Y'all ready? Listen. Okay. Eradie wa hindi suo. Eradie butumi suo. Hey. Yesu wa no ni wumsa. Obiara ni wo biobia sini na ya wodi. Eradie.
You're like a river in my soul. And of course, once again, beautiful good morning. I'm wishing for and feeling it to say. Right, Kobe Praise. I see you also. Wow, you are making my morning. A wonderful one with the hymns. My brother Kobe Praise. I don't pay one to say. I don't pay one number. You're like a river. All right, so there's this friend of mine, a very good friend of mine, a friend of Prince Sena, CEO of SP Records. Na minim say me number for no in fact minim say oye drama oye instrumentalist oye bibia na as some make obedi matemba toboa. We went to school together and this friend spent 4 good years learning music. All right, so he did music for 4 good years. And yesterday he sent me a song. Manji and did say Prince could sing like this. Right, so let's listen to this song from my own brother, my own friend, Prince Sena. Very nice song. Yeah, take a listen.
Etifi anafo epoe atoye opinio tisewo Soro asasi benkum nifa opinio tisewo Etifi anafo epoe atoye opinio tisewo Soro asasi benkum nifa opinio tisewo Sorry, whoa. Yeah, sorry, whoa. Ajinkwe. Yeah, pejao. Yeah, pejao.
Hello, Ghana. This is your girl for Scalina, and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti.
Etifi anafo epoye atoye opini watisewo. Soro asasi penkum nifa opini watisewo. Etifi anafo epoye atoye opini watisewo. Soro asasi penkum nifa opini watisewo. Eradi. Yes, sorry, yes, sorry, I didn't quay. Ye pejao, I did ya no pa. I want son of Juma, my na ye, my nana say. Sadicha no pa nane aya wonsano adwuma muma ye nana si muma ye kamfo no erade yes sorry wo ajinkwe sorry, yes, sorry, Sadicha no pa. I want son what you man, Nane, Muma Yenina, ye, Muma Yenana see. Sadicha no pa, Minane.
Alright, so this is a song for my brother Prince Inna. In fact, you see, sometimes you song for my own. I had a winning kakra who, but. See a baby kakra na adwene asesa. I see Reverend Sinabuachi, the firstborn, Prince na Nenumne. Alright, so no wonder he did music in school. I say me can't go for ama. Come on. 4 good years in school, he did music. My brother. Alright, so undoubtedly, I mean, it's a good song. Yesterday, we did the call. I know my Mr. Prince, I know you are watching me live on Facebook, Charlie. It's a nice song, a very good song. Ebusia, me try me how about this here.
Hey, whoa, me chawa warrior. Wait a minute to me. Shobabo didn't it. Now wait a minute, call him. Me chawa warrior.
Whoa, share. Who be jama warrior? Ya warrior.
Hey, I worry for. There be a more contoka. No problem. Ube man, bra. Obana so bra. Bema, no problem. Panicing. If you are, wash your Bamatikayo Wadi. When you pimple say practicing or to say flat, no for crying the communal. Getting Sanka Chadi. Nana George Nawa. I said, we are da.
If you're a Bissana say, Adriana Joa, Diano Timmy, and Cramon Kwan. I didn't so say kitty. Mentishe.
I want for Mumbra. Mamin come for a Dumbi body home in Kuno and Famon. Sir, what I share a Dum TV. Dr. Samuel Mimin the Bia Oban. Our solve no problem. Where we don't know. Or Beman in Kua. Letono said Nigna Honi. No for no so penny bia a Dumbi body home. Ebesian. Where Kwaji a Dumbi body home. A drone be. Na Bema dear. When Nimunyam any will Beman. Esa a man and pet. A Dumbi Ebemoye. Bema na so obey. Na tattoo na untimi empepano. A Dumbi body home. Ebe pepa na skin rashes. Any niegu who are umpa egu awarian. Munko a Dumbi body home. Dr. Samuel Ebebuam.
If you're a
Dumbi body home in Kuno. O pebiata.
Fred Doctor L 0246 232343.
Another one. What else? Yeah.
Engineer part akra no bi dia hyemani asese painting me painting na anu ye na ni apase
hey atakura pan ya bu say eja atakura ya bu papa enti wani soso kwaso wonim krom
anti afia pa ekro we mu ehemfa na painting papa wo esen krofo we ho
he na no cheche bese na me nkocho ba bia ye ton foreign paint papa de Africa Canada and America and aba ye yankofo tubata ekọ kro kase mu koto edi nyina aba first time American paint one more fra foreign paint ahudro nyina so ma colors no e dance
eti kroma ehemfa na sa God's time American America paint for mehu.
Afei na wo kasa kwa Car Price Junction wo mo wo ho ana Ash Foam omo ne wo mo enedi animhwe. Fra wonom e wo 0242 270 966 ana 0558 231 558 ana 0548 650 009. Wamo nkrabata ne bi nso e wo Kumase ene Nkoko.
Afena me hu ne wo nyame.
Hey. When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow. Any offense will be count.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and dear Renny Pediano Samoya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a Peja immune system Nabribia. Ya Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a man for the one, Eddie Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance yes, and Yarwa who ran Nipa and Nina Etimi Banaso, and Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a honka. Now Yamwa suing in no, a boy who buying every home. And now one pa, one yarwana dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and more who are deep in tea. Ya womuntim pose, Yaria Esomo. Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kaisi, and you may move Bia Yato in row, at to form fresh 0246 20 8496. Imbusaba Mesa, police in no edrono, and Kratway FDA, Asayasi.
Mido, asa na de fia e hrampa.
Ha, eya ban 20 enama efia ehwehwe hwamsano.
Eno so ye supira na.
Eya JA ban ne Nko Limited. Ene wo mo de sa nyoma we nyina badwa so. Enye no nkwampo na wo ho medu so to ho no mo no. Enyoma ne se bebre.
Niema bi te se dan na wo ho.
Ban zo ne nansen kwada nyoma ne ate se wan. Eya parazo enu ana me de sie.
Mido, me fan fitira apoto bi de ni nyina afro. Na dia ba de na ahowura poto bi de isi.
Eya akasha no a na me de atu apopo bibre nyina se no bia. Papa pata susu nyina so ate se wan no.
Nansen awowo ni nyina mpayila. Hu awowo bia wo fie ha bi.
Medeta wo. Eya JA Bani Snake Reparent na me de atu o masesa no.
Enu omo wo niema papa.
Ban liquid soap na se wodidi wi amedema awahoro won say uhu ana. Ai enu anso na mede wo horo nchaasi mu nyina da.
Ene we die me di adanse akira mansan. Fa no mo wo.
JA Bani wo mo nioma no. Wo benya bi ato wo Kumase Takra de Tamale ho sunya ne Nkoko Wabuase Boga Odan Ghana Commercial Bank enedi enemuhye. Se wo pani do so pomu atua. Wo benya bi ewo Kasua Winneba Road ho akasa na factory no esie.
Ma me number no na mfa nkoma ko nyina no nso from
0242 771 650 and now 0247 576 643.
Me dofo na so mo din ni body say.
Eye JA Bani and Nko Limited.
Ja me dru ho sesia.
Wow! MTN afa we ayasamude edima adrobafo edwadifo ahyenkafo akuafo won obua akuafo mo so anoba edibadwom afei de afa boa ma utimi kasa wo MTN so 1000 minutes ane so wonka kwehu kradia utimi ekasa 200 minutes on other networks so utimi kasa 20 minutes ubetua 6 Ghana cedis busumi bia na afa we yakwenya kese enu nti obia fa ne hunyem afa sa wo high pitches enu ne sen ebia na wo pe bibia to na nso na wo sika nu afa ma kwa ma atwa ne kakrakra eso pe ne afrew amu abeje ananya ye dia brew you yesan so e wo input credit enu ne sen ebia wo yokuani wo nya fertilizer wo nya no ba ana wo yedwadini wo nya kandia de be wadwuma se bia wo ton wache wo nya mo wo nya beans ne nyina eba bua nansa ka we nyina wo de ansa obefre 1848 afa
LPG I am from Eja ehotse nanso se ehobeti amawo agise wo de adi dwuma yi ansa na wo beso wuja no hwea na hwe se mframeja ho nka biara enje ho se wote mframeja ho pampa na buebue apono ne mpoma no nyina eba ne saa a menso ana menum biara edi enyina mahoden eye adwuma dundum eja biara waso wo ho na frɛ onimdifo mano mmehwe mawo fasamina nsuogu mframeja tontruwa no ano se wo hu ahuro a natural se etue ampa ta ehwe se droban na etwe mframaja no ho ntue na ta sesa droban no acha preko mfie mienu biara echi hwe se abri biara wo be soja no wo be pa wo matches ansa na waso wo stove hwe se mframaja ne ho asode no adum abri biara wo mfandi dwuma biara nkratuo yi efri National Petroleum Authority aswe
Afediaba Pro Power Engine Oil Professional Engine Oil oil kroji ya krepi Europe abrochi mama na se udi gukai mu a engine su breo na esanso ye oil kroji bia hwim frem na udi gukai mu so a etumi di bosumi miensa edi konsia ene agire ansa na betumi asesa na ne boss da fom se breo na me se Ashada ba eba be bo ahyenkafo car owners ene obi odi car engine edi dwumadia perfect key ventures ena ashada kra engine oil way every Europe abrochimem abagana so wo achimdan ene ne mpotema for Jalo Auto Part ewa Kamani Junction so wo suhum ene ne mpotema Madam Esther Frank Toad Oils Cheese Auto Global Kwabenya Estate Super Spaces Auto Part ABC Junction Adenta Quant Enterprise Takwa Maku Eno Ventures suhum Asamakesi Kede Agunasodu Baby Bia Transfer Party Bia Okwa Podin Sope Pro Power Oil Obenye Biato na ye main head office no ewo Tuba Road Kaswa for 0200 023 797 0200 023 797 Pro Power Engine Oil. More power to your vehicle, more comfort to your journey. Number 1 fuel economy. Kai say Ghana Standard Authority Ajatum say eye.
I go kill you with enjoyment.
Besine nipa pinu ano mo ntimi yie yase na wo bia nso ntimi ntiase da kosi se wo do ho bekọ akọbọ South Brumrua Bank akane no na media preapre wo kwanya mefa so na mede misika besie na menya ho faso daache kosi se odofo bi kire me South Brumrua Bank a mede me ho kọ share o mo share sa no mo tonim enne se na misika mu atretra me dim faso pudoyi entimi nua branu nie se onso betimi do ho abebata sika krabia soronkun esanse South Brumrua Bank de wa dane ne ho sorobo a wo fa ne nyonko akotokro nka soro da wo to shares ni bia wo nso aba be kasika krabia yi ho na se dodo a wo beto no na be kire mfaso a wo benya na mfaso bia nso a bank ni benya no nso ka ho bi sika krabia yi nyio enti nso tumrika na nso fa ho be babusua bi entwen no anka se mihunu yanka esanse from nti wo da nti wo ti ho anu apete fa bia kosie baabi se de be ya daachi wo benya so mfaso na baabi sa wo hwehwe no ene South Brumrua Bank enti ye de ye bie ya proma mo bia abusua asempetia enti eni sika krabia impenifo eni nkomo ewo
050-158-4895 ana 050-158-4890 ana say 050-163-3188.
Enija Benye, with the Siosrani Joe, ICM UK, and a unique diploma college, a kabom, and not why you can so they want to stamp at Timasi. Now you assume that TA, so person we HND course BTS marketing, accountant, human resource, computer science, and you're not 6 months to 2 years. Now we a boarding crata certificate, if we ICM UK and a unique diploma college at the Bemau, would do a biamuno, nefa, anopa, and your classes in weekend and social life, and your remedial classes, and our person we are all SHS core and elective subjects. We need a teacher for any bill when in into a tron with channel once near Kumini on double track system, a green and answer gold, Ubefia, Omobet shower dear, simple, Amwabe Pabini, as some Denonie, a nipper no 20 people, a bedika copy form, Mudem 50% scholarship.
Shannon, sir, your free computer classes and a biometric registration at the math students nina.
Shisha wona chi kwan e wo achim oda Kwame no way abounce ru ni mu a omo first floor ana ji asem nchire mu e fa matrofo iso 0540779363 Unique Diploma College UDIC, your success our priority.
Ejumaye. Hello Ghana, this is your girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabna Kosti.
Radio
Hello Ghana, this is your girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti.
If you know come I go die, oh love it, die, oh love it, I go die, oh love it, die, oh baby, I go die, oh. Think to my was here, bring to my right, bro, die, bra, 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 bra me in the other day, bra me in the other day, bro, die, bra, bra, anyway, I said.
Right, so 20 minutes into 11. 93.3 of my Hinkai. Juma and I was with you. Maybe I try question of the day. For answer number 0594841044. By WhatsApp and our phone so SMS. For Ryan King Kama, what is that one thing you love to do every day? And then so your birthday, happy birthday, Cassia Pan and Fan come out. Happy birthday, Cassia Pan. Franco Bibiara. What dinner with that and then I share the same birthday with rapper Flo Kingston. Rapper Flo Kingston. And then the birthday. Sawakai. Brothers. Brothers. Penino woman.
You can't touch me.
Right, so the real name Kwaku Isian Boama. And the stage name Flo Kingston. As we all know, he is one of the sensational hip life rappers here in Ghana. Yeah, what do we say? Kruma, the rapper is a Kruma. Oh, we are the right, so the undisputed rapper has family belong to a two team called Brothers. As we all know,
can't touch me. You can't touch me.
Saying himself Brothers, no, it was made up of two from Brothers. No, me for Pamuja Bako. Only Kinta Kinte. On swear the Kwaku Isian Amankwa. Conform anyway, your mama hate upon hate, man. 2009, way back. Mekaya movie in Ghana Music Awards, most popular song of the year. Yes, that was 2009 with their song Simple, Maybe Simple. Yeah, I think so. That was 2009. Yeah. Right, so today happens to be his birthday. Flo Kingston. Kwaku Isian Boama, Nebra Penny no Chame Kwame. Yeah. Right, so today also happens to be Jonathan Mensah's birthday. Jonathan Mensah is a Ghanaian professional footballer who plays as a defender. And also he captains the MLS club Columbus Crew. He previously played for Ashanti Gold. And later will move here called South Africa. A Free State Stars. Europe was near the idea of Granada. So Jonathan has represented the Ghana national team at 2 World Cups. Jonathan Mensah. And then the birthday, he was born in Accra. Jonathan began his professional career with Ashanti Gold, but departed after 1 season to join Free State Star in South Africa. Right, so he was born on 13th July 1990. Jonathan Mensah, 1990. Alright, so he's 30 years today. I think Sandra was about me who picture be a circulate said. I think some said Tanzania was a player be a won in 1990. I see I won in 1990. And I'm who is a 90 and I just Aquano ya won cross. Ne mami who cross on the air one. Hey, you chroma the old Africa. At the point Aquano ne mami who answer na ya one. It's a car for say there be and massa. The African players no. Munya life for my own. Mimi say me chance. Echo play Europe. Now Mr. San career as a footballer. Come on, me 17 years. Now, me say me say na me call retirement in gym. There be a young boy. Na say Jonathan Mensah. Ya won in 1990 o Chrome haya ya won about you. Ya won one crying. Chrome haya ya Jonathan 1990. Na to point Chrome years. ODI Electronics, the Pacho. We are Sebra. But quality and affordable home appliances. My baby, because you fear open fleet. Asaji Mizembako. I want it. And it's open TV, open fridges, mobile phone, now for his home theaters. Have a show. My dear Facha, I know. And the mediation, I call you Museum. But the two of you cry. Right, police in here do imbusa wabisha. Me bacho ba sanke bina. From preje mo. Imu booster to chroma de pacho ba ko pe na ko fodi ho dance e. E no kwan obi aka sampa. E mu ade. Obi agba na samra ne. Mami fu wo chrome no. Some market me bacho obi a. Enum imbusa ba me sha. Because almost some time transfer ko check. Eti aba na sa. Na sa na se pese show nine. I say na stroke person ni hujin. But so nya imbus ni bi no bobo a. Na emoja no asa sane na edi afrusa ne ye. E pa choma on san kan imbus ya ba me sha. Ya rebi atiti ubi ano. E betu ase. Channel so say. Chromanium na. The number one immune booster that helps your immune system to fight against and correct all manners of disease. And your police in your drone. And American comment be at the man. Me pa choma on san Kevin drugstore bia. E o kwa me police in your drone. And I imbus ya ba me sha. E ko pebi to ko pebi no no. Boye pa. Stop the pudu aton so. Our friend 0246 208 496 and 0540710113 0246 208 496 and 0540710113. Me pa choko pebi no. Boye pa. Achim was beautiful. A and B. I jenga na so na dia last Saturday. You pass it through. The special pa the kontra wan kona se na bia obi ehu e. Man am heavy pa. Beautiful ladies. Am you come up pa. Kotoku chroma de ya wa ma pa. Achim for ma wan fa pa. But a card ya ba ku bi. And when jebe pra preche da fe. Bibia you okay. Achim was beautiful episode me pa choya baso. Every Saturday 6:30 p.m. Our Emmanuel Presby opposite Marble as a total filling station. Presby sorry na Marble hon patrol on ho and Achim was beautiful. Remember be a basso me patrol. I said this coming Saturday so e be air basso. Tibra. Yan Jessica be a free gate. That was a common experience. The great culture of the people of Achim. Na Oba Makacho Sa Emano Omi a heavy pa Yawa Baya Yawa Ya Kiki Yawa Ajua Adiopa Ifia Aso and Alfred so Abina Law Emani Omi a heavy pa Bacho Trumi Cabra. This coming Saturday. Gate na free o. Enji Capra. Na sa opesa wo to about the my favorite contestant. I'm a pacho. Falfuna Dali star 711 star 52 hash. Star 177 star 52 hash. Now for 40 fama favorite contestant. About opesa ya crown no. Achim was beautiful. Not just your chroma na. I can't mamma your son or mamma your heavy pan. I just say, no, I'm about to Tomo Baya. Not what Sunday. Star 711 hash 52 hash. How did the account? Now we try to Mobaya. And I be a ya Kiki. Now by the same procedure. Star 711 star 52 hash. Now Piaco. I draw the part the same project. Now Piaco near the idea. If you are son of us, I've been a lot. No Pian Cosa near the idea. The Pacho. Vote team of favorite contestant. Now face. Now I should call you Pan for more. Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. I know pay your Fiat cherry picture be one of the phones. Or sick of now, Hana Mari and Yomko Channel. And I say, Charlie, one picture and Casa or Hana photo shoot here. What? Did you know? But Charlie Chroma, man, one for Pan to Pine. Chrome man wa for pa. In fact, I chill for man wa fe. And I color studio na ma mo ho ya fe. I just say, see I just say what send you picture now for your man with the picture so a e photo shoot account o ka say ya say. I said this time no photo shoot to do. Confront the GN to do. Where about you? We your baby girl with you Saturday. O birthday eba. O baby akotwa e your birthday photo shoot. Where about you? Color Studios and Victor Embroidery. And now be worry. Over engagement over pon ho. Patroninya Color Studios and Victor Embroidery. And I may recommend the Adama picture framing passport picture. Then you can be one idea. Me patchabra. Color Studios and Victor Embroidery now for show. Then church Lacoste embroidery from our school Lacoste embroidery, Face Star embroidery, cap embroidery. Nina, ya saw your pet. Actually, now chroma there. And conform a say about embroidery X on my yard. I tell you no lie. Color Studios and Victor Embroidery. I am show embroidery. Open up there. First year training for video editing, video shoot, camera handling. I am training with Wingna. Open up there. Your Liberty Transport, opposite Kena Pharmacy, Bronsino, Asiwape, Front. Maybe you'll be Tom Pabuano, Open Abehu Color Studios and Victor Embroidery. Fred was 0245 276 0245 276 Now, wait. Then sort out of pan. When so, Fregas, where's your property? Alright, Ben Palma Plaza. Ben Palma Plaza, watching Madame Chroma. Yeah, can't hotel. Weba job. Tieni pa. Chroma Opera Hotel, I wait me a lodge. I'll visit her. I'm on any aje. Or Kobe Boarding Baba. If I find the Kobe Palma Plaza, and as a B Plaza Hotel, at Chimadan Chroma there. And no pen will be a too. This time around, they're how about Chromina. If I show off and Uncle B Plaza or Qua. Like I said, boy, when you meet your sister, and a dear credit. We are the Kodan Tontomqua. Me call hotel, we will chroma use mosquito net. Let me see Jesus! By this time, Brabin Poma, we are okay, we are nice, pa. Orthopedic mattress, papa. Then be a move. Where was the power, baby? We feel. Now I came other police station, Quan's open. Yeah, direct opposite the Church of Pentecost. I came down Quantenum branch, Hopper, Pentecost near Yensi. In case all back now, Passia Chira Quine and Patch of Friend Penny 0249 855 396. And also so bookie. Yeah, come weekend, Roma by a day. A one over the Patch of Baby over that, Sumba Juno. Friend 0249 855 396. And I said 0243 118500. 0243 118500. Bin Palma Plaza is specially made for holiday makers from abroad and afar. Obi message on the about. But for message for 0594841044. Normal text message and I say be WhatsApp now for other first marking can them 0594841044. What is that one thing you love to do every day? Oh sorry, I know Pebia dear Ben now persuade they be in front. I did a little bit to me sign from that. When he ha just say oh got that crowd pentem na de achi na wasa ye bi patro de ade share with us sa de chrono nti send 0594841044. I make a message we say I love to talk to my boyfriend every day. I'm Obapa Ama from Abu the me shows control Abu na cause Abuba and I will crew for Abuba. I don't know maybe I Abu there big teacher na Obapa Ama or say I know Pebia. They not tell hard before We say, I'm Michael from Modern Quanta. It is good for me to give thanks unto the Lord and to sing praises unto thy name. All right. Right, we say, food boss. This is Ken Fresher. Aboze game on fire. Of course, I don't put the say the BIA. Me say, okay, also the no. I was sorry, the BIA. Not just I was sorry, the part the first now doing you and I we are boy. We live a brepa. We sell food. I find the last number 36. I have a move with the I'm thirsty free. For Kaho now for I am proper. This one says Costy when I wake up on the bed. First thing, just look. Oh, nah, come me tell I mean two message now say. Alright, we just say hello guys. My name is Morte Williams from Modern SDA and I love comic. I also love to see comic. Alright. That's also around the baby. That's what you want to do every day, eh? We're saying kind of best in the east. Rack up now. We emoji okay. Do you okay? I guess but me I tell you say I love you okay. There you go. Alright, 37 minutes to 11. I'm sending your messages through 0594841044 and I'll be glad to read them for you. We say I'm Sarah Money from Abu Abu. Shouts to my parents and my lovely madam Nana Ajwa at Makameni Road, opposite Coca-Cola shop. My grandpa, the perfect gentleman. What I love to do every blessed day is to listen to Ahinkai News. Mr. Bozege, thank you. That's right. Ahinkai News, they will need you. Charlie. Kroma, they don't want to see your wine. This series, you want to see your wine. Yeah, news, I'll see you news. Hi, Costi, I can listen to music till eternity. If you are giving a good money, if you are you know. You see how Obana started the as our crowd that just said. Oh, the big rare and money there. If you are the minimum. Namaya Mao, Cheminia Ope, Namaya Mao.
I say you would have sworn me would be my
Monica Samewa, Namati was here. I want to casa me who, Namati was here. Monica Samewa, Namati was here. Monica Samewa, Namati was here. When you actually mean the Awuba, Namaya Mao, Treminia Awuba, Namaya Mao.
And this is Adani Best with George. My first encounter with this man was epic. Trust me. I think it was 2015, I think. This at Professor FM. So we organized the show and then he was on board. Full of energy. Adani Best. Now, in for Fred Papa B Super Bet Prophet. In person, my friend is Abi Bat. I think that's an for friend and the Super Bet Prophet. Now, some few hours ago, not sorry no Hanley and that's an sorry no account. This is Charlie, not here. All right, so Glorious Wave Church International, the founder and general overseer of Glorious Wave Church International, Prophet Dr. Emmanuel Bedu Kobi. And then also another today, will answer his critics on Sunday. Before then, he will not be in touch with any media house. He is focused on changing lives. His love to you all. Thank you all. No, this thing say Prophet Emmanuel Bedu Kobi say the mission and the focus is on changing lives. Come on. I don't know also obey rap football. First one, what to super bets. I found change. Professor, nah, I no go rest. Me, what the funny be say? First one, I see, and the Spirit of God. And the Spirit of God. Nyankopon and the second video is I say, this is a prophet of God. Or side Jordan Democrats aka ho chese ono na nyako ono kwan na me afre no kroma. Sometimes kofo bi na e man kofo bi nya wo. O trawo baby din ana aya de ayi. Osofo ya by force say be cha professional. Obe ma fake us. Obi an kan hwe nchira wo de so. Wan kasa wo de ho dia ba. Alright, it's now sorry I posted our Facebook say the founder and general overseer of Glorious Wave Church International, Prophet Dr. Emmanuel Bedu Kobi will answer his critics on Sunday. Before then, he will not be in touch with any media house. But I want to post here, I want to try. Who even tell us if you want to get in touch with us? No, answer my DM.
Mini fan watching to me. If I be a zipa kudo, if I'm ready, you're Chelsea. Minty of the
And I've seen a video of Moesha Budon preaching, telling people to turn to Christ. Ghana sweet. Apart from the hardship in this country, I had day. Bring that down. Apart from so be I can say chroma ya din. Shesike fear the command or man penny afi crowd in bukro for was in GB munji musica. Apart from your problems your stress just for depression still a chroma the other pa. Because I say chroma de be just say one casalo. And a chroma obi shada fafon. Now I have voice notes, LIG, not their money, Queen Elizabeth. What are you talking about? Jimmy, so I make us a chroma hanging the Bialajas of war. Muntie bibi.
Hello, Queen Elizabeth. I'm penny for no do one or meant to me. I'm wild. Tiabayanka, your episode as we just for the Baranka Musabi dear so. What dear, more funny pump or cram of in Queen England. Why? You be a slave some. Charlie, I do. I call you a zero smile. Hey, voice notes, message, direct. What the DM me, Queen Elizabeth. Now, what's he has said the crow by there? Oh, wow. And no be so sad cha back who come Joe Biden. Tia also. Nimso body adom ho ye. Eba cho Ghana untimi nto. Na kwa ye ni ye kakra. O de loan credit be man nanka wa ye ni ye, wo ye ni ye ana wasa aton amaye. Why ye beto? Ntimi da se oti voice note ya na mama te wonka. Na ma hwe de make a champion for ne ye ne ntem. Why na se dia ho kire ne
I got a problem. Was this a what's a voice here? Now I'm to okay, so you'll be able to translate here, man. No, you're chroma.
Nimso body adom ho ye. Eba cho Ghana untimi nto. Na kwa ye ni ye kakra. O de loan credit be man nanka wa ye ni ye, wo ye ni ye ana wasa aton amaye. Why ye beto? Ntimi da se oti voice note ya na mama te wonka. Na ma hwe de make a champion for ne ye ne ntem. Why na se dia ho kire ne.
Chroma, come for me. Oh, my son, I come on. I just be show as you go. No, but you chroma there. You chroma the pop. Na Aquabina original bridge bisu na scrap dealers ebe to 222 ekwan so baby no dey call and reporter be say na wo ha no na see me bo a wait me account of what happened or say ai unya katwi unya so be cambrofo muzie
to sit here to look for what at the bed she's looking at like it is fair for you or it is you like you are married to handle your house to come and sit at the blazer. They are come to take a thing to go into scars. So let's take
alleging that this was stolen by scrap dealers.
Yeah, the thing got to come to the outer. The scrap dealers, those people they are shooting the bicycle.
I said that thing come to the outer. Those people who are shooting the bicycle, that is a scrap dealers. with the bicycle no no group no more na afari Kwame, what is that this time around? So, yeah, call forward Chrome and Mamma Tons, no, a different. One Tiasia crack, series over Tiasia. But if you give him a get a make a broke, make a better, my look better, better. Message you say, what you watching, you know, on Rana Social. Alote, nege, get the make a good Ali agri tenet a root in the brage. Spirit of the living God. I love you, Father. Hali Tennessee. Root to be Abba, Spirit of the living God. Come here, see Gromania.
Oh, I had it. Now you tell me that I had it. Miss Dear Chagui. I know they're Chagui there. Yeah, see, Crow. I see good. Now, come in. Whoa, I don't know, sir. Condoms, sir. Unim the Amadea. Condoms. You who the bubble? TOB.
Condom 11, I shall into my kind 11. What's this? I'll ban this in 11. Next, I'll share, not sort it. I feel not 5. What do you call him? Supply officer. But you're supply. Buha me na de yes e bia me de call bonti ko ebibio oh me so what the day me can tell you oh ti we better dey bibi e obi ha bi insogum na de na anagra say balloon na de so na me na bu na pa o so di insogum na e ka say balloon not de na bom na pa
Na kabra ayi eden na oba no eto sa condoms makon 11
no 7
dentia
oh second eno ase na ni kun a chire mi say di no odigu
o na sorti na ka 5 be ma di 2 na de
no say ohu a all this wegum all the na bom
na pai
oh Black Sheriff also of late as a guy though neni abrepa or pekwambia say star in fact why star we
say Ghana actually
that the first sermon video we are I think the way a second sermon
Sad man calling right so got my feet back 10 toes
hey
wa ko na no e kat do adan ah sad man gwa ya pa adan onkwa na komedi wa unyeska
Ghana had the obwa.
Ghana the you
because say I'm proud to give thanks to God every morning. Greetings to my senior pastor Asamoah and all my friends. My name is Samuel from SM. So this one also says, I love to eat every day. Friend of Doctors, only for yesterday and also the other. Right, Mosha Budon, I think say me maybe or the areas is here. I saw a video of Mosha. No, or cancer.
So on also was such
also say.
Na men can say.
Last week, yeah, and Mosha Budon. Who so was sorry they be to Jesu Srenyame so fan born in channel when Hunyame she's born again, she's this, she's that. And then with the video, I'm trying to find the video, but I say I found the Sukakra.
Once no say Ghana say no makika kono nkomu tona nko unyane chevana na say maintenance ana.
Voice
be.
I'll say. I have voice no Yama Joe Biden, US for president.
Okay.
Yes, and all catchers say over to me, I'm a Ghana. So on to me, so say Bessian cry and the man.
I'm not a Ghana.
So I Ghana ye we are. Now I sat on Ghana at the Amayan back.
Nimso body adom ho ye. Ebacho Ghana untimento. Nankwa ye ni ye kakra. Oda loan credit be man nanka wa ye ni ye wo ye ni ye ana wasa aton amaye why ye beto intimida say oti voice note ya na mama te wonka na ma hwede make a champion for ne ye ne ntem wa na say dia ho chere ne
hey pamna ye wo
ye growa
Yatiti ha ne atonga na jai.
Come here, you grow out there. Hey, who are grow out with inji? Hey, who grow out with the raho? Who grow out with now?
We're back here at the pound.
We come back. Come to
so dum so na aba no se say hankofo bebre it is say na yeko e won nsusu mpotemu
adu store no de so boring.
Really?
The kumi kura no say Andre o me say them ya lock your main gate ma adwon so de agu 5-star to me wure fi kura san mantum me padi na me na sa akokan na egu me woolen carpet so.
Oh my days.
Na me dem on HSS.
I said that.
I said that watch yourself.
Self.
There's a whole
bond red.
Hey. So dum so na aba. Se say hankofo bebre. It is say na yeko e won nsusu mpotemu.
Adu store no de so boring.
Really?
The kumi kura no say Andre o me say them ya lock your main gate ma adwon so de agu 5-star to me wure fi kura san mantum me padi na me na sa akokan na egu me woolen carpet so.
Oh my days.
Na me dem on HSS.
Kwabra Okroma wet matna ka say and I'm rebel hold on who Okroma orenho
David
the way you said open man ti asa we guy bisa achipalago ye man apache papa ye man what's up man hey man challenge today I get a day uba
let's go down
come here go ai ko na news follow news for number
and easy
minim say for kai guy we ya
yearly, monthly, weekly, daily. All is about what I link up in at Almighty, protect my soul, my pulse, and my vision. For what my fans need, I have to offer them. Kasapa.
What kind of? Wait, you felt 2000. I think 2015, 2016.
Yeah.
Yes, or by hete pa or can celebs are. You find the celebs because Chroma they all hete kakra what than celebs.
Yearly, monthly, weekly, daily. All is about what I link up in at Almighty, protect my soul, my pulse, and my vision. For what my fans need, I have to offer them. Kasapa.
Hey, Saturn no bo na the dread.
I come to buy hete Chroma pa 2000. See as what for you. Hey, you Chroma. Wami,
Kwabena.
Yako yata maso.
Easy for.
Yarishi akusia.
Oh, akusia. Baby wanambia sort you so da ho.
Speedy recovery.
No aka no.
The home fa no.
Eno ihu bibia. Eno akusia mpa. Wamwa na utumi say we dey yesi enka na be mu zo ba ya mere.
Eti akusia speedy recovery na fe bridgemana ya fa preparate right yanko ebusan from Jenny me champion boat in Cosmos who Okroma from me Branty Part the perfect gentleman from Jibruz Mani from Kobna Costi Ebome Samrani you football talk be onimo o twa be onyame be megeme ikru abuji todi one though asada kase pan fan koma kwakun Kroma Africas enko enfo enso enfama na na to pan hen na fa so speedy recovery enkoma DJ Shabo and na fa so akosua at the party match nyakopon ya de mo twa e be se hia makra obi bye bye